Imagine a world where burping and farting are rare. Welcome to the life of a kangaroo. Did you know that kangaroos are not just hopping champs, but also masters of balance? When they're grazing, they don't just stand on 4 legs. Oh no, they ramp it up a notch by using their super strong tails as a support, effectively walking on 5 limbs. This isn't just a quirky trick, it's evolutionary genius that lets them maintain perfect stability while munching on their lunch. And here's a fun fact that might make kangaroos your new eco-friendly pals. They can't burp or fart. That's right. Thanks to a special bacteria in their stomachs, kangaroos digest their food so efficiently that they produce very little methane gas. So while they're saving their own energy, they're also saving our planet, one non-burp at a time. Now, if you hear a kangaroo sneeze, don't say, "bless you," too quickly. That sneeze is their way of saying, "heads up, danger ahead." This unique form of communication isn't just adorable, it's vital for keeping the mob safe from predators. So next time you think of kangaroos, remember, they're not just about the hop, they're about balance, eco-friendliness, and sneezy chats.